So if you come to Hua Hin, when you look off the coast, especially if you come down to the south of Hua Hin, you'll notice two islands, Koh Singhto and Koh Tao. I've always wanted to go over there, but I've not got a kayak, but I have got a drone. So today I'm going to try and fly my drone over there. They're right at the limits of my drone's range. I think from here, Koh Singhto is 3.5 kilometers away. So yeah, it's going to be a bit tricky to get there and back. I'm using the DJI Mini 2 drone, so I'm right at the limit of kind of how far you can get and back on one charge. And the wind is blowing straight inland, so I'm going to be going into the wind on the way out and then downwind on the way back. Hopefully I'll make it, and hopefully we'll get some good footage and just see what's over there. I have no idea. I've never been able to go over there before, so let's get going and see what we find. So the drone survived like just. I was on the way back and I thought I wasn't gonna make it in a direct route, so I just cut out and went straight back to the nearest dry land. I managed to land on a wall just down there. So yeah, we survived. But yeah, really wouldn't any further and it would have been in trouble. So Yeah, well, I managed to get the footage though. To me, I thought Koh Singhto looked really nice. It was like a white sandy beach and it looked like really clear water. I've not looked back at the footage yet, so we'll see it better when the video is actually up. But yeah, it looked like a pretty cool place to maybe go one day on a kayak. So if I ever get a kayak here in Hua Hin, I'll definitely go over and make a little video of it. I'm going to do some more videos flying the drone around Hua Hin over the next few days, so keep your eyes out for them. If you like watching this, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.